Moving on to the awardee for the Anupam Mishra Memorial Medal for the year 2020, I would like to congratulate Mr. Makrand Purohit, and I will be sharing a citation. The organizing committee of the India Rivers Week has great pleasure in awarding the Anupam Mishra Memorial Medal 2020 to Shri Makrand Purohit in appreciation of his efforts to highlight the importance of rivers and water conservation. Makrand Purohit has reported in depth and with verve on the state of rivers and the subject of water conservation across India, with special focus on the rivers of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. His carefully researched reportage and commentary extend across print and audiovisual media. His articles and documentary films have brought to public notice the deteriorating health of rivers, the problems of dams and displacement, groundwater pollution, the disappearance of springs, and interstate conflicts over water. His work makes the case for water conservation and highlights the struggles of citizens and communities to sustainably secure their right to water and livelihoods. It is an honor to celebrate Makrand Purohit's unflagging efforts in documenting and making public the cause of rivers and water conservation by presenting him the Anupam Mishra Memorial Medal 2020. Congratulations, Makrandji. I request you to please say a few words.
Thank you, Meher. I feel that there is a need to linking society to the river systems, which actually is the need of an hour. I have prepared a short speech and I will just read it. So, I'm short of words at this moment to express my jubilance and gratitude toward the jury, Honorable Justice Lokurji and Manoj Mishra ji for this great honor. Thank you very much. I would like to thank my family, my friends, and all those individuals who provided their unconditional support. They have always been my inspiration. I'm especially thankful to India Water Portal team for providing me opportunity to engage with community and develop critical knowledge content for the portal for multiple users. The successful articulation of the ideas was not possible without proper editorial support. Thanks to Aarti, Rekha, and Usha for their questions and helping me presenting my ideas and perspective in a creative way. Their support encouraged me to articulate the critical perspectives that affects the mankind and its environment with the larger audience. Finally, I would like to thank Shripad Dharmadhikari, Manthan Adhyan Kendra team, and Jaideep Hardikar for their continued guidance and support. I would like to end my speech with a poem that I wrote in October 2019. कभी कभी उड़ जाता हूँ, कभी कभी उड़ जाता हूँ पंख पसारे बादलों में, देखने को क्षितिज कहाँ है। उड़ते हुए दिखते हैं बहुत कम आज वो पेड़ और उनकी शाखें, वो खाली जमीन और वो नदियों की राहें, वो निराले पंछी और वो सुंदर प्राणी, वो कश्तियाँ और वो मछलियाँ। आखिर कहाँ गए हैं वो सब, क्या है आखिर उनकी कहानियाँ। धुएं में चिमनियों के उड़ना कहाँ आसान है, धुंधली जमीन पे फिर उतरना कहाँ आसान है। फिर भी चला हूँ उड़ के क्षितिज से मिलने, शायद वो पल कहीं मिल जाए, जहाँ मेरा तुझसे ये जहाँ मिल जाए। कभी कभी उड़ जाता हूँ पंख पसारे बादलों में, देखने को क्षितिज कहाँ है। बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दिस ग्रेट ऑनर. आई एम रियली overwhelmed. Thanks.
Thank you, Makrandji. Handing over to Amitaji